Good morning everyone. My name is Dr. Ekta. I'm a general dentist and it's a time to talk about what can be the further consequences of an infection which can also leads to dental infection. Many a times dental caries is not due to only dental infection. It may be due to any systemic problem. Such systemic problem of infection in the body is example of HIV or a simple term called the liver jaundice. How the functions of liver comes. Liver produce bilirubin as well as bile salt and some molecules of cholesterol for its own functioning. Those cholesterols are get absorbed by large intestine for metabolism. If liver is not secreting ample amount or such amount of these products, the condition is called infectious condition, a severe infectious condition, where HIV is a condition where the infection has traveled to every blood cells. In the case of liver, the Kupffer cells are present. Number of Kupffer cells in the liver are dependent on the age. The liver cells do not increase or decrease if you have infections. Liver cells are primarily for bilirubin production, alpha, beta and gamma cells, but the health of liver cells depends on the overall function of liver. Liver shape is flat dome inverted pyramid structure. Such structures is of the largest gland of the body. When the patient have jaundice, bile salt from the blood get absorbed in the liver. Liver start releasing cholesterol ions, which basically ions have no cationic. Basic ionic and cationic reaction leads to a dental infection where citrate ion becomes must to administered. Citrate ion have a chemical formula where the hydrogen is a primary molecule. If the citrate ion is not get fulfilled, we get the fulfilled place with the chlorbutyl administration. After citrate ion administration in the body, we take patient on a protein diet where there is no absorption of a particular protein in the body. The protein diet can be administered through three ways: sublingually, subgingivally and parenterally. Sublingually and subgingivally, the absorption of protein is 0%, but parenterally the absorption of protein is 100%. The protein absorptions depends upon the amount of amino acid present in the body. The amino acid is essential when patient is extremely sick. If in case of illness, non-essential amino acid and essential amino acid both considered in the blood. Direct administration of protein is indicated in case of medicine. L-glutathione medicine is administered in the patient as a dietary supplement. When there is a citrate ion administration in the form of chlorbutyl, the administration of L-glutathione, which is essential amino acid, there are 9 essential amino acid, the administration of protein becomes a dietary supplement. Mouthwashes in the form of chlorhexidine is not indicated. Chlorbutyl mouthwash with the proper proportion in a paper cup is indicated. Interleukin reaction starts in the body. Interleukin 2 leads to the formation of interleukin 10 for the absorption of dietary supplements, where the trans fat in the body is 56%, which has to convert total fat into the basically the sodium 3.93 and the protein, total carbohydrate, total sugar and added sugar becomes 9.83 gram. Total fat becomes 0.47, saturated fat becomes 0.02 gram and trans fat is 0 gram. Amino acids such as histidine, isoleucine, leucine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, threonine, tryptophan and valine are essential amino acids which should be observed thoroughly in case of ill patient. And non-essential amino acid are alanine, asparagine, aspartic acid, glutamic acid, glutamine, glycine, cysteine, tyrosine and proline. These are non-essential amino acid. Arginine, cysteine glutamine and tyrosine, these are the most indicated non-essential amino acid. Alpha, beta and gamma cells are the also involved in synthesis, secretion as well as absorption of amino acid. Carbohydrates are the major components. The oxygen and atomic ratio is 2:1 in case of macronutrient molecules such as fats and protein. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and OH and then are most important components. Carbs such as glucose, cell, tissues, organs. Where carbs are involved, they break through their products in form of Krebs cycle, and simple sugar, complete complex sugar and fibers get digest in sugar regulation process. Thank you so much.